Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 2-litre TSI SEL DSG 4Motion 190 PS. The car's in great shape and it's matched by its spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, silver roof rails, a rear view camera, lane assist, a forward collision warning, distance monitoring, and these 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, looking at the boot, it's huge, and it even has a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a 2-zone climate control, an 8-inch touchscreen, and a Discover navigation. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.